Hello, everybody. Welcome to your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Monday, February 26, 2024. I'm Jeremy Crosby. Hope you're having a great day and glad you're tuning in with us for your TF headlines. Warm weather continues. Not a bad day out today, another great day tomorrow, but that could give way to some severe weather tomorrow. Be weather aware tomorrow. We put it out on Facebook today for the fire weather. The fire danger was high today. Tomorrow is going to be severe weather potential later in the evening, and then we see a potential snow on the backside of the storm, but warm temperatures to follow that. So don't fret. It's going to be cold for one day this week and then kind of warms up, but hey, we'll take it. All right, other news. We start with a news coming out here for the City of Fitchburg referendum. The City of Fitchburg assesses a critical need for additional staffing, necessary funding. In February of 2024, the City of Fitchburg released a report identifying a need to increase staffing, invest in a new public safety building, and increase funding for transit services to meet growing service needs of our community. As the City of Fitchburg community has grown, demand for city services, including public safety and other core municipal services like infrastructure development and maintenance, has also increased, while funding for those services has not kept pace. City staffing has also not kept pace with cities expanding responsibilities. The reports are included in its entirety at our website at fitchburgwi.gov, along with additional resources. That includes the February 2024 City of Fitchburg Operation Assessment Report. We have the City of Fitchburg Assesses Critical Need for Additional Staffing and Necessary Funding Report, and a community survey to prioritize investments is also on our website. In the coming weeks and months, the City of Fitchburg Common Council, in collaboration with Fitchburg residents, will determine the best path forward to address expanding services demands on the city as the community continues to grow. All households in Fitchburg will receive a survey designated to help elected leaders determine which funding options to pursue and or which services to prioritize. And then we want your feedback, of course, from those surveys once they're up. And if you have any questions or comments on this process, you can email those to Chad Brecklin. He's our city administrator at chad.brecklin@fitchburgwi.gov. Website page has been set up for this that you can check out and read more information on this, and we'll keep you up to date as the surveys roll out here, right here on Talking Fitchburg. Turning our attention to our fire chief, Joe Pulvermacher, is moving on after 8 years of service. A farewell party was held last Friday, and it says here from the fire department, we spent the afternoon saying farewell and thinking of Chief Pulvermacher for his 8 years of service in Fitchburg. Thank you for all the leadership and guidance, and we wish you best luck in Menominee Falls. Yes, we will miss Joe Pulvermacher and appreciate everything you've done here for the city of Fitchburg. And we wish you the best as you move on to Menominee Falls. Over to the Red Cross. Red Cross has got a blood drive coming up here. We want to make sure to share this information with you. Share your lucky charm and give blood to those in need. You can make a positive impact to our Red Cross blood drive Thursday, March 14th from 10:30 to 3:30 p.m. at Tri-North. All who give blood get a $10 e-gift card to a pet supply merchant of your choice, plus automatic entry into chance at 1 to 5, 3,000. That's 3K gift cards. Book now. Appointments are preferred. You can do those at 1-800-RED-CROSS or go to the website redcrossblood.org. Use the sponsor code Fitchburg WI. You can also download the Blood Donors app if you so choose. We talked about severe weather, and I want you to be prepared here as severe weather could impact your area. And with that, we want you to have, well, some home emergency kits. That's right. A home disaster preparation kit should include items you believe you may needed to keep your family safe and comfortable in emergency. Keep your kit clearly labeled in a cool, dry place where it's easily accessible in need of in your shelter. So wherever your home or shelter is, you want to have that safety kit there. And you should periodically check into that. At least every 6 months it's offered to check for expiring items like food, batteries, water, etc. And some great tips here for that checklist of what you should have in your kit. ReadyWisconsin.gov has some great information on that. I highly recommend everybody do this if you haven't already. It's great to have an emergency. Have a great day, everybody.